Hey quiz crackers! Welcome to a new episode of Quiz. Test your knowledge and know your passion. If you can answer 20 correctly, you are for sure great quiz cracker and a genius. In which country do people smash plates on neighbors' doorsteps as a New Year tradition? In which country do people bake a cake with a hidden coin inside, called vasalopida, on New Year's Day? In which country do people celebrate New Year's by throwing flour and eggs at each other? Eager to know the answers of such questions? Please go ahead and watch the video till end. What is the traditional dish eaten in Japan to celebrate the New Year? A. Sushi. B. Toshikoshi soba. C. Tempura. Correct answer, B. Toshikoshi soba. 2. In which country do people smash plates on neighbors' doorsteps as a New Year tradition? A. Denmark. B. Greece. C. Spain. Correct answer, A. Denmark. 3. What do people in Spain traditionally eat at the stroke of midnight on New Year's Eve? A. 12 grapes. B. A slice of cake. C. Oranges. Correct answer, A. 12 grapes. Which country celebrates New Year by dropping a giant ball in Times Square? A. Canada. B. United States. C. United Kingdom. Correct answer, B. United States. What color is considered lucky and is worn in Brazil during New Year celebrations? A. White. B. Red. C. Yellow. Correct answer, A. White. In which country do people throw water out of their windows to symbolize a fresh start for the new year? A. Thailand. B. Puerto Rico. C. Philippines. Correct answer, B. Puerto Rico. What is the Scottish celebration of New Year's Eve called? A. Hogmanay. B. Burns Night. C. Cayley. Correct answer, A. Hogmanay. 8. Which country sets fire to scarecrows filled with old clothes as part of their New Year tradition? A. Ecuador. B. Peru. C. Colombia. Correct answer, A. Ecuador. What is the traditional activity in Greece to bring good luck on New Year's Day? A. Smashing a pomegranate. B. Dancing around a bonfire. C. Drinking spiced wine. Correct answer, A. Smashing a pomegranate. 10. In which country is it a tradition to open the front door at midnight to let the old year out and the new year in? A. Scotland. B. Ireland. C. Germany. Correct answer, B. Ireland. What do people in Italy throw out of their windows on New Year's Eve as a symbol of letting go of the past? A. Old clothes. B. Furniture. C. Glass bottles. Correct answer, B. Furniture. 12. In which country do people bake a cake with a hidden coin inside, called vasalopida, on New Year's Day? A. Greece. B. Turkey. C. Bulgaria. Correct answer, A. Greece. What do people in the Philippines traditionally fill their tables with during New Year's celebrations? A. Round fruits. B. Spicy foods. C. Sweets. Correct answer, A. Round fruits. Which country celebrates the New Year with a famous fireworks display at the Sydney Opera House? A. New Zealand. B. Australia. C. Canada. Correct answer, B. Australia. In which country do people ring bells 108 times at Buddhist temples to cleanse sins from the previous year? A. Japan. B. South Korea. C. Vietnam. Correct answer, A. Japan. In what country do people eat lentils at New Year's to symbolize prosperity? A. Brazil. B. Argentina. C. Chile. Correct answer, A. Brazil. What do residents of Estonia often do on New Year's to ensure abundance in the coming year? A. Eat 7, 9, or 12 meals. B. Light 7 candles. C. Plant a tree. Correct answer, A. Eat 7, 9, or 12 meals. In which country do people celebrate New Year's by jumping over 7 waves for good fortune? A. Brazil. B. Peru. C. Costa Rica. Correct answer, A. Brazil. What do Germans pour into water to predict their fortunes for the new year? A. Wax. B. Lead. C. Silver. Correct answer, B. Lead. In which country do people celebrate the new year by burning scarecrows and writing down wishes to burn them along? A. Colombia. B. Ecuador. C. Venezuela. Correct answer, B. Ecuador. Which country celebrates the new year by climbing hills or mountains for a fresh start? A. Switzerland. B. Austria. C. Peru. Correct answer, B. Austria. In which country do people throw old pots and pans out of their windows on New Year's Eve? A. South Africa. B. Kenya. C. Nigeria. Correct answer, A. South Africa. What do people in Thailand traditionally do as part of their New Year's celebration, known as Songkran? A. Water fights. B. Lighting lanterns. C. Singing traditional songs. Correct answer, A. Water fights. In which country is it a tradition to smash coconuts for good luck during New Year's celebrations? A. India. B. Sri Lanka. C. Indonesia. Correct answer, B. Sri Lanka. What do people in Colombia carry around the block at midnight to ensure a year full of travel? A. A suitcase. B. A map. C. A backpack. Correct answer, A. A suitcase.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Like, share and comment down. It's Quiz Cracker presentation. New to this channel? Please subscribe to take your knowledge to next level.